Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 29, How to Overcome Fears and Negative Thoughts. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy addresses a common obstacle that holds many people back: fear. He explains that fear and negative thoughts are simply creations of the subconscious mind, and that we have the power to change them. Dr. Murphy explains that fear is a belief in something you don't want to happen. When you focus on negative thoughts and fears, your subconscious mind will work to bring those beliefs into your reality. This creates a cycle of anxiety and limitations. To overcome fear, Dr. Murphy suggests changing your focus. Instead of dwelling on what could go wrong, focus on what you want to happen. Use affirmations like "I am confident," "I am calm," "I am in control," and visualize yourself succeeding in whatever you are afraid of. Another method is to replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Every time a fearful or negative thought arises, consciously replace it with a positive affirmation or a thought of success. Over time, your subconscious will begin to believe the positive thoughts instead of the negative ones. Dr. Murphy also recommends relaxation techniques to calm the mind and reduce fear. Breathing exercises, meditation, and visualization can help shift your focus from fear to calm, allowing your subconscious mind to work more effectively in helping you overcome challenges. The key takeaway: fear is simply a thought, and just as you created it, you can replace it with positive beliefs. By focusing on what you want, affirming your success, and using relaxation techniques, you can overcome fear and negative thoughts. That wraps up Chapter 29. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to create lasting positive change in your life, using the power of your subconscious mind. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't miss the next chapter of this transformative series.